All right, there we go.
All right, steel case. PYT, a number 3, tier 1 baseball. Good luck to everyone on this break. See if we get another crazy book or a cup.
What's up, Zach? I think we had the mic wasn't working for a second there.
Was it working when you were talking?
No, I don't think so. I don't know. Autograph basketball is on the site. Gold Rush, 2 of them, random letter style.
Thick one here. 4 cards in this one.
4 cards.
Sometimes that happens, yeah.
A little bonus love.
Julio Urias out of 399. Austin O'Reilly out of 349. Tim McCarver, wow, out of 299 for the Cardinals. And for the Twins, Joe Ryan, rookie on that Goldie ink out of 25.
He's pitching pretty well as McKenzie this year.
Yes.
Oh, 3 bonus relics per case is BK. What's up, BK? What is good, man?
3 bonus relics, huh? BK, how's your inventory, bro? This is thin. Got a lot of see, I have so many of those silver and gold pack hits. Maybe I'll sell some of them. Hater for the Brewers, $3.99. Patrick Wisdom out of $2.99 for the Cubbies. Sideways. Is that gonna be Walker Buehler? Sure is. Walker Buehler out of 99. Game used memorabilia. We have not hit a lot of these, I can tell you that. Yeah, me too, man. I really got to get my act together on Friday. Because I can do some of it Saturday too, but... Jason Hayward, $3.99. Emmanuel Rivera out of 25 for the Royals. Oh, and out of 125, Edgar. I saw the old Mariners logo. I got excited. BK, you in this one? No. Rich is in this quite a bit.
Edgar or Jay Buhner?
Yeah, I gotta do something. I don't even have dollar boxes really. I gotta have some fun with that. Jeez, what'd you say?
Jay Buhner or Edgar? Who'd you like better?
Oh, Edgar. Edgar's nasty. Ooh, what is this? Whoa, whoa, whoa! What is that? I have no idea what that is. Let's go backwards. Is it like a game-used bat or something?
Oh, is it fake?
Yeah, I'll tell you. I'll show you in a second. Devers out of 125
nice.
For the Red Sox.
Rich, nice hit, Rich. You're gonna love that one.
Oh, the guy we got's a bum. Verdugo out of 199 for the Red Sox, and limited lumber relic card. Wow. 1 of 1. Trent Grisham. Wow.
That's a cool piece. It's not
Padres. Dave Georgie. Yeah, barrel piece. That's pretty sick.
That's nice.
As soon as I open it up, I'm like, wait, that's not normal. Too bad it's Trent Grisham. Didn't he just get sent down too, I think? Yeah, I thought it was Tatis too, to be honest with you.
That would have been fine.
Imagine how much the Padres are going to cost moving forward.
Oh, God.
You got Rizzo out of $3.99. Alejo Lopez out of $2.99. And Salvador Perez, $2.49. Getting nice names. We actually are getting nice names here. No monster names, but nice ones. Salvador Perez, I don't know if he was an all-star this year, but he's been.
Last year was great.
Yeah.
Did he lead the AL in home runs last year?
I think so. He had 40-something. There's a Trout relic out of $1.99. Nick Madrigal out of $1.99 for the Cubbies. And, ooh. Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Juan Soto out of $175. For the Nats, Dave Georgie again. Nice, Dave.
Dave having a little break.
Like I said, there's a big name. Like I said, this has been a pretty solid case. Good names. That was a real nice name. We got like a purple looking thing down there or something. Jared Walsh out of 399. Joey Wendell out of 10 for the Rays. And Paul Molitor, Joe Carter duel for the Blue Jays out of 25. Justin McMahon. Very cool card there. Wow. Case has been loaded, to be honest with you.
Desolate, you just take Dortmund, buddy?
Finally, someone did it.
What's up, dude?
That'll be next. Holland auto coming. Because Doobie chickened out. He's like, I really want to do it. I really want to do it. Joey Votto, $3.99. Jesse Winker, $2.99. Reds box, huh? And Houston, how about Altuve out of 125? Like I said, we are hitting names, guys. We are hitting names. Got a duel, got a game used auto, got a bat relic, like jumbo bat relic, 101.
Soto and Devers.
Soto, Devers, yep. Contreras, $3.99. AJ Alexi out of 299, and Adrian Beltre out of 100. Very nice. Future Hall of Famer. Thick one here. Thick one. Grandal out of 349. White Sox. Dylan Carlson, 249 Cardinals. Rookie. Joe Barlow out of 299 for the Rangers. And Houston, we got Alex Bregman out of 125. Very nice.
Randall with the recon team. Desolates with the close. See that? Rob Simos with the Eagles. In optic. Appreciate it, Rob. Randall.
Ooh, got a redemption in the back here. That could be big.
And
Gavin Lux, $3.99. Freddie Freeman, $2.99. Riley Adams, $2.99. And breakout. This could be Julio of C.J. Abrams for the Padres. C.J. Abrams on the Padres. Now no longer there. Nice little break for the Padres. The last box.
Go book.
Legends. Johnny Mize out of 99. Mason Thompson out of 299. And for the Braves.
Easy.
Tom Glavine. Tommy Glavine out of 25. I think we hit this one already, too. Very nice. Very nice case. Hit you with a recap in a second. And we got Finest Soccer on deck. So, relics. Mize out of 99. Grandal, 349. Carlson, 249. Lux, 399. Freeman, 299. Contreras, 399. Votto, 399. Trout, 199. Walsh, 399. Rizzo, 399. Hayward, 399. Urias, 399. Riley, 349. Hader, 399. And a dope 1/1 bat relic for the Padres. Your ink. Thompson, 299. Barlow, 299. Adams, 299. Bregman, 125. Beltre, 100. Alexi, 299. Altuve, 125. Winker, 299. Abrams Redemption base, just the base version of the breakout. Madrigal, 199. Lopez, 299. Perez, 249. Edgar, 125. Emmanuel Rivera out of 25. Tim McCarver, 299. Verdugo, 199 of 199. Bookend there. Patrick Wisdom, 299. Walker Buehler on that relic. This one's a sticker, 99. auto relic there. Glavin out of 25. Joe Ryan, 25. Joey Wendell out of 10. Joe Carter, Paul Molitor out of 25. Soto, 175. And Devers out of 125. Very solid case there. Appreciate that fill, guys.
Thanks, Groot.